Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to the channel. I'm going to show you how to add citations and references on Microsoft Word. So I'm going to share my screen with you right now and let's get into it. The first thing we want to go ahead and do is either open the Word desktop app or use our browser. Alright, so I'm currently in the desktop app and we want to go ahead and we want to click where we would like our citation. Okay, so I'm going to click just over here at the end of this paragraph and we're going to go up to the top of our ribbon and we're going to go ahead and click on references. So right from here, you can see it says insert citation, but before we do that, we can choose our style. Now, depending on what industry you're in, you're going to go ahead and choose the style accordingly. All right, so let's choose Chicago, and here we're going to click on insert citation. Now, if you're adding a new source that has not been referenced here in this document, you're going to go and click on add new source, and here you will see you'll get the opportunity to type the source in over here. So either it's a book, a journal article, you can see that there are quite a bit of options over here. All right, so what we're going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and choose interview, and you can now go ahead and see that you can enter additional information. So just for example, you have an interviewee and then you have the title of the interview or the title of whatever your source is. So we're going to go ahead and say laser cutting, and this again is all just for reference, and this is now just a sample that I'm using. You can also add in an interviewer, the year that this happened. We can also add a month. Let's say it happened in March, and a day, let's say the 15th. Okay, we can put this in over here and we can say Sam. And once we're done, you can select whether or not to show all the bibliography fields or not. And then you can also create a tag name. All right, so we're going to go ahead and you can see what it does is it uses the first name as well as the two last digits of your year. Okay, so you can recreate this if you would like to, but I'm going to leave it just like this. You can now go ahead and click on OK, and you'll see that that's where it is. Okay, so what we're going to do next is we're going to create a reference for this. Now, if you go up here and you tap on bibliography, we're going to open this up and you can see that we can now select references. Okay, so if you hold your cursor over here, it gives you a bit of an insight. It says automatic bibliography labeled references that include all sources associated with the document. We're going to click on this. Now basically what's going to happen is this is going to come up at the end of your document. Now this document is very short, but if it was a few pages long, this would actually be all the way at the end of the document. You can now see that it'll cite all these references from your article. If this was helpful, you can go ahead, drop us a big old thumbs up. We'll see you next time, folks. Peace.